Hello and welcome to another trading video by Black Bear Dog Trading. Today it is Wednesday, November the 13th, and instead of doing an actual live trading video, I wanted to talk to you about something that is common to just about every trading strategy that exists, and that is that every trading strategy that relies on indicators or oscillators to do their analysis has an inherent flaw, including my own. And that flaw is that the analysis, the results of what the indicator shows, lags. This is normal because every indicator that exists, doesn't matter which one, moving average, Hull average, super trend, MACD, RSI, CCI, ATR, you can go on and on to all eternity. All those indicators are compiled relying on price to determine its outcome. In other words, these indicators use a mathematical formula that incorporates price as its key component to determine what it should notate. Whether that is up, down, sideways, doesn't matter. That means that all these indicators are lagging because price has to move first, whichever direction, for the indicator to reflect that move. So no matter what, you will always be a step behind. So now, what is the solution to that problem? Because it is a problem. It means that by lagging, you will always enter a position later than you could or should. So how can you fix this? Well, there is a way of fixing this without going very complex, without having to write any code. In fact, it's very simple. And I'm going to show you right here what you do and how you do this. I'm going to get rid of all the indicators I use on my chart, every single one, from the weekly to the daily. Where is it here? Okay, indicator list, I'll move it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Okay, and including my 4-hour chart, I get rid of every indicator that I use. So that now I am based strictly on nothing but price, and that's the only thing. I'll even get rid of my wrong button. I'll even get rid of my expert advisor right here. All we have now are naked charts with nothing else. So how do you now go about being able to trade this, which is commonly known as trading price, without having to go to the trouble of learning every candlestick that possibly exists? From a doji to a pin bar to a shooting star to head and shoulder pattern, and the list goes on and on and on. It's no wonder traders don't make money. It's far too confusing. While it is not bad to know that stuff, it shouldn't be the primary concern for you to be staring at your charts to see if you can discover one of those candlesticks or candlesticks pattern in order to make a trading decision. There's a much easier and much simpler way. First thing we're going to do for every chart we have is to zoom out to the absolute maximum, as far as we can go. Here we go. That's the first thing we do. Now, by looking at these charts, you can tell very quickly and very easily where there are support and resistance levels. Now, for purpose of trading, we are only looking at current support and current resistance levels. We're not going all the way back, like for example, the weekly chart right here. No need to put that there. We could, but it doesn't really serve as any purpose. We're looking at the immediate. which is, this little area right here. And here, what we do to determine where we are at, it's very simple. We take the default MT4 line and we set this one at the bottom. Here we go. And another one at the top. And there we are. And we have our support and resistance levels. And we're done. And we don't have to set this anymore or bother with ever again until either price breaks through here. And now we are on a downtrend and we have a bearish trend going, or price completely retraces and breaks through here, and now we're in a bullish trend and we're looking for buy positions. That's all we have to do. The same applies to our daily chart. We look for the current most high and most low, or support and resistance, and it's very obvious. We have a level right here. There we go. And we have a support level right here. And again, the same concept. Nothing happens here. You don't have to check this ever again unless price goes below, and you now can look for sell opportunities, or price retraces completely above and you're now looking for buy opportunities. Since we're not trading off either of these charts, their only purpose is weekly chart to give us the overall trend of the asset we're trading, and the daily chart is to give us the current trend of the asset we're trading. Now we're moving on to the 4-hour chart, where we repeat the exact same process. Excuse me. And again, we can clearly see where we have support and resistance lines. In fact, all the way up to here, but we're not going that far. We take the immediate ones, and this is one right there, because as you can tell right here, this is a little support level right here, and it was a little support level right here. So all you have to do is, that's it for support, and now we repeat the same for where resistance is, and the immediate one is very clear. It's right about right here. So there you go. We'll set it to the top. We have this one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Is a very, very strong resistance level right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, here, and here. So we got quite a few. That's a very strong resistance level. So price has been going down nicely and has continued to go down nicely for the euro, meaning the dollar is definitely on the way up. And as you can see here clearly, price has broken through our most recent support level that we set right here. So this may be an opportunity right here to enter a sell position. Now that you have this all set, what do you do next? Well, you can do two things. You can stay at your computer all day and watch until price moves below support and enter a sell position, or wait till price completely retraces, moves above resistance, and enter a buy opportunity. There is, however, a much easier, much simpler way. Because we trade on our 4-hour charts, we're going to set alerts. And to set alerts so that the computer notifies us when price goes below support or above resistance. And it's very simple to do. You see here, price is right now at 1.05696. So we'll take it a little lower than that. And to set that alert, we simply open the terminal window, we click on alerts, we right click inside the alert box, we click on create, enable. Now you pick whatever sound you want to have, or you can send it as a file, or you can even get mail notification. I take it as a sound, I set it as an alert, And since I'm interested in a sell, I'll put the bid price is less than, uh, let me cancel this. What was it again? Bid price is less than 105,704. 105,704. So I'm going to put when bid price is less than 1.507 and oh 04. Here we go. And it will last about 10 seconds. Here is how many times the alert will sound. You don't want to have 1,000 times. Set that to 1 or 3 times. I prefer 3 times because sometimes you may get an alert in the middle of the night while you're asleep and you may not hear the first one. So you click on test and there you go. This is what you get. So I click on OK, and now my alert is set. I now will do the same, and it shows you right here. I have an alert for, and there it binged again because I am at 105,714. I'm going to set the same for my buy, and the buy will be same thing, sound euro USD, only now I have where ask will be greater than, and the value here is roughly about 1099 to be exact. It's 109. We'll make it 109995. Give ourselves a little bit of leadway. 1.09995. And again, we make it 3 iterations. We'll click on test to confirm it's working. We save this, and here you go. Now you noticed there is an arrow that appeared right here. This is telling you that you have an alert set that will notify you by means of sound on your computer that this alert will be triggered once price reaches that level in a up direction. Here we have been triggered already, and we are now even below. We could have already entered the sell position and just continue a nice beautiful sell going on all the way from here on down. So that's it. In another video, because I don't want to make this too long, I will then show you how you set your stop loss and your take profit, and you're done. And until you hear the alert, you can do whatever you want to do and keep yourself busy with whatever you need to do during the course of the day. I will also show you in the next video how you can get that notification on your cell phone so you can even be out and about and still get the alert, and you know that price has either broken through support or price has broken through resistance. If this sounds a little complicated, it isn't. It's really, pardon me, excuse me. This really very simple. It just takes a little bit of practice. Once you're used to it, you'll do this virtually in a matter of seconds, and then set the alerts and just wait for the market to tell you. And now, when you get an alert, you're accurate. You have where the price is at the time when it's there. Unlike indicators, price has already moved by the time they react. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you and insightful. And as always, take care of yourself. Stay tuned for the next video, and God bless.